I never thought I'd be restoring a haunted attraction with a real curse. The moment I stepped inside, the air felt thick, almost electric. Legends say the original builder vanished without a trace, leaving behind whispers of restless spirits. As I peeled back layers of dust and decay, I found hidden messages scrawled on the walls. Warnings, perhaps? Each creak of the floorboards sent chills down my spine, but I couldn't back down. I'm determined to breathe new life into this place, even if it means facing whatever haunts it. The thrill of uncovering its secrets is too enticing to resist. Who knows? Maybe I'll turn this curse into the park's biggest attraction.